Good rainy morning. I'm back at the ponds in Priory Gardens and I just spotted something. Can you see this duck? The one that's on its own. I just saw little ducklings around her before I started filming and I wanted to show them to you, but I think they're hiding under the green as it's starting to rain again. And I could not believe my eyes because it's August, so these are very late comers. And I saw 3, I think. Come on, babies, let's see you. I'm gonna try and go to the other side. She's definitely guarding them. I can see movement, but I can't actually see them. And you're probably thinking that I'm making it up. But I'm gonna wait until they come out. Until then, let's have a look at the other ducks. Everybody's chilling in the rain. It rained quite heavily. And now it's just a few drops here and there. Come on out, babies. There. See? There they are. I was not hallucinating. Okay, I can see 2 now, but I've definitely seen 3. There they are. There they are. Oh, hello, darlings. There they are. The little darlings. There's 3 of them, but I don't know how well they show, and in the same time I need to check my footing so I don't fall into the pond. Oh, little darlings. I'm so happy to see you. They look only a few days old. I don't know, maybe 3, 4, 5 days. Not sure. Hey, beautiful mama. Now, because of the road nearby, there's a lot of noise, so I'm not sure if my phone picks up their little voices. I can hear the little chirps. Oh, oh my cuteness. And 3 little musketeers. Oh, and off they go. Oh, darlings, I'm so happy to have spotted you. Stay safe. Bye-bye. Starting to rain more heavily. Okay, I need to go.